Have I got your word on that? My head throbbed. Don't sweat it. Way to go. What is the fuss? I'm clearly in a lot of pain. It's written all over your face. Cat got your tongue. Stay hydrated. Don't be so stressed out. What could possibly go wrong? I caught a bug. I'm going to be sick. I've got a tummy ache. Cat got your tongue. My feet are hurting. I'm aching all over. Tell me now. Don't be a stranger. My eyes ache from lack of sleep. It's written all over your face. I'm clearly in a lot of pain. Do as I say. Take a rest. Why don't you come sit down? I have a severe pain in my back. Do a good workout, you'll be fine. Stay hydrated. I have pain in my legs and arms. Don't be so stressed out. I screamed in pain when I fell to my knees. I take some pills to ease the pain. Lifting the heavy things yesterday made my whole body hurt. Then be off to bed. I feel a sharp pain in my knee. Don't sweat it. I've suffered from back pain for 2 years. Give yourself a break. What is the fuss? Take it easy. My muscle hurts after the exercise. Because I did a too hard workout. Have I got your word on that? Give me some advice. I think you should go and see a doctor. Way to go. I need a body massage. Are you feeling better? Tell me where it hurts. My head hurts. Get well soon. My ears hurt me. Take care of yourself. Let's face it. I hurt my back when I fell off the stairs. So shall we meet tomorrow? My legs are still aching from the run yesterday. My head throbbed. I need to see a doctor. Since when? Don't bother me anymore. When my rib starts acting up, I have to stop playing. My back's killing me, after all that gardening. Do a workout every day. You should rub this balm on your back. I hope you feel better soon. You should not lift the heavy things yourself. You should apply this pain relief patch. Try applying a hot compress. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Rita English for more videos.